Discipline leads to habits. Habit leads to consistency. Consistency leads to growth.
Magpahinga ka, hindi tatakbo ang market. Hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Just find that bread and butter setup, KaMiranda.
Traders who want to be successful show up, raise their hand, and volunteer by saying, gusto kong matuto at kailangan ko ng tulong.
I think the one word would describe my learning journey with Miranda Miner System is transformative. Kasi it really changed the way I see the chart and the setups.
I highly recommend students to learn Miranda Miner System because it's really an effective system and not so complicated to follow. We just need to invest some time to study, have discipline, and to know ourselves for us to be profitable.
So kala mo lang sa una mahirap kasi maraming nagsasabi na scam yan, baka maubos pera mo and stuff like that. Pero once you have a system which is yung ituturo ni coach, yung ituturo ng mga mentors, nagiging well-guided.
Another one where say hello. So, we wanted to we can also ask nakakalito to a certain it keeps us inspired kasi ako I've shared that with the KaMirandas. I want them to
This is the Global Miranda Miner Group, our home of the culture of Malasakit. This is the Global Miranda Miner Group.